Hello, reading friends! Hello, little ones! It's me again, Mama Sarah, and today we are going to read Corduroy's Christmas, a Lift the Flap book by Don Freeman and Lisa McHugh. Let's begin! Corduroy loves Christmas. There are so many things to do. First, Corduroy trims his Christmas tree. But where is the angel for the top of the tree? Is the angel inside this box? Nope. But I can see Santa, a bell, some tinsels, and an elf. How about here? Nope, they're just candy canes, just like what's on the outside of the box. How about here? Oops, they're Christmas lights, not the angel. I think the angel is in this box. Yay, we're right. There's the angel. Look how cute the angel is. Yeah. Corduroy bakes cookies for all of his friends. There are bells, angels, Santas, and Christmas trees. This batch is done. Better take them out of the oven, Corduroy. Let's get them. There's a Christmas tree, a bell, Santa, and another Christmas tree. And look how cute these cookies, and they look so delicious. Now it's time to wrap the presents. Corduroy gets out the wrapping paper, tape, ribbons, and scissors. Oops! Where's Corduroy? Peekaboo! It's just a rag doll. Peekaboo! Yay! We found him! And he looks so happy. Corduroy hiding under the wrapping paper. Corduroy has written his letter to Santa. He is going to send it to the North Pole. Let's look what he wrote. Dear Santa, please bring me ice skates, sweater, trains, and ball. Thank you, Corduroy. Look, outside it has started to snow. Wow, and those are Corduroy's friends outside in the cold. Corduroy and his friends are going caroling. But which one is Corduroy? Are you Corduroy? Nope. Are you Corduroy? Nope. Are you Corduroy? Nope. This one's Corduroy. Yeah. Oh, who's inside this house? Hi, friend. It's Christmas Eve. Corduroy has hung up his stocking and left a note for Santa. For Santa. Merry Christmas, Corduroy. Some cookies and milk. Now he is fast asleep. Look, he's sleeping. Listen, is that someone on the roof? It's Christmas morning. Look at all the presents Santa brought for Corduroy. Merry Christmas, Corduroy. Look, he's so happy. So many gifts. Let's open them. What's inside this one? Oh, there's a toy, a doll. How about here? Ooh, a sweater and a hat. Wow. Where else? Ice skates. Wow. And look, he has some trains and a ball. Just like what he wrote for Santa. Yay, Merry Christmas, Corduroy. The end. Corduroy's Christmas, a Lift the Flap book by Don Freeman and Lisa McHugh. Thanks for reading with me. Merry Christmas. See you again tomorrow. Bye.